Hello everyone, welcome to our presentation titled The Top ICCTV Company Overview. Today we'll be discussing how we're enhancing security through advanced surveillance solution. My name is Adler Sanfurio together with Lance Francisco, Luigi Rebulio, and Alwin Makalalag. The TAFI, founded in 2012, specialized in high-quality CCTV surveillance solution. Our mission is to be recognized as a leading provider in the industry, despite challenges like market fluctuations and the need to source products at competitive prices. We remain committed to excellence. Our marketing strategy focuses heavily on social media platforms like Facebook and Instagram, complemented by robust email marketing campaigns. Our company operates within the surveillance industry, offering advanced CCTV cameras designed to meet diverse security needs. The primary object of our information system is to streamline operation, manage inventory effectively, ensure financial stability, and maintain consistent product quality.
Key functionalities and features. Our system is equipped with several key functionalities. First is our inventory management. It helps us to track stock levels and manage supplies efficiently. Next is our financial management. It allows us to monitor expense, revenue, and profitability. And finally, our quality control measures to ensure all products meet our high standards before reaching our customers. User requirements. Turning to user requirements, our system caters to two main roles. For business owners, it provides access to comprehensive financial reports and real-time inventory status updates. And for our employees, the system offers necessary training and support to enhance their effectiveness in their respective roles.
Prioritization of requirements. In terms of prioritization, we focus primarily on ensuring accurate financial reporting and maintaining adequate stock levels. These priorities are critical for meeting customers' demand and ensuring operational success. Potential challenges and solutions. We face several challenges including market fluctuations and sourcing high-quality products at competitive prices. Our solutions include establishing a strong relationship with reliable suppliers and implementing cost-effective inventory management strategies to maximize our resources. Conclusion and recommendation. In conclusion, despite the competitive dynamics of the surveillance industry, the TAFI is committed to delivering high-quality products and ensuring customer satisfaction. We recommend exploring additional marketing channels like LinkedIn and YouTube, and continuously investing in employee training to boost efficiency and adaptability.
So here's our system flow chart. There's some start, then after nun, mag-enter tayo sa ating website. Then after nun, kailangan natin, there's a decision kung registered or not. Pag di-register tayo, lalagyan na natin yung account natin. If not registered, kailangan natin fill out yung mga information dito na para makapag-login tayo. Then after nun, pwede tayo pumunta sa shop. Doon sa shop, nandun yung mga items or yung ating account status. So, pag nag-guess tayo, punta tayo dun sa view item. Sa view item, doon papasok yung nandun yung mga items natin like mga CCTVs, nandun yung iba't ibang klase. After nun, pwede natin i-add to cart kung may nagustuhan man tayo dun sa mga item na yun. Then after nun, display cart content. Nandito lahat ng mga in-add to cart natin, mga from this item. Then after nun, pwede tayo mag-cart change item or change cart item. Then, kung gusto nyo palitan yung item na napili nyo, change item, ito pipunta natin, yung change item quantities. Then, babalik tayo dito sa view item kung saan nandun yung mga items natin na napili. Then, kung di naman kayo magbabago ng items, pwede tayo mag-proceed to checkout. After na mag-checkout, pupunta tayo sa ating shopping cart. Then, kailangan natin i-fill out yung mga information, disregard the user, and after natin ma-fill out yung mga information, pwede na tayo magpunta sa mode of payment. Sa mode of payment, pwede tayo mag GCash, credit cards, COD, like that. Then, pag na-approve yun, pupunta tayo sa post-integration, shipping, then mapupunta sa shipping handling, and confirmation order. If hindi natin na-approve yung order, ating order, babalik tayo sa ating shopping cart, then mag-wait tayo. Then, I forgot to mention, dun sa shop kanina, na sabi ko pwede tayo mag-view item, tas view status. Nandito sa view account status, nandito yung kung nasaan na yung shipping natin, kung nandun lahat, nandun lahat ng mga transaction natin with this website. Then, pwede natin siya i-log out. And this is our system flowchart. And I hope you understand, and thank you.